Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how I can easily fix this error. Here you can see it 0x803fb005. So how we can fix it? First you need to know that this error was Microsoft Store, so first you need to close your Microsoft Store and just go to search tab and just write in search tab CMD. So after you write it, you will see command prompt, so just right click on it and choose run as administrator. Click yes, and now we need to enter command vc reset.exe. What it means? It means that it will clean all the cache of your computer and especially cache from Microsoft Store too. So just click enter. Now we need to wait some time after it will clean all the cache, and in most situation it helps, so it fixing this error. I hope that also this method will help you too. So let's wait, we need to wait after it will clean all the cache of our computer, and if it doesn't help you, you can also try another way. It's to go to troubleshoot. Maybe, I don't know, but I think maybe we have Microsoft Store in our troubleshoot, so we can run it from troubleshoot, fixing it. So we will see if yes or not. Here you can see Windows Store apps. So just choose here troubleshoot, Windows Store apps, and here you will find run the troubleshooter. So just click run the troubleshooter, so it will automatically detect all the problems, fix corrupting files, missing files, errors, and just here you will see list of your errors, and after you do it you just need to restart your computer and it will automatically fix all your errors. So I hope that one of these two methods will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.